Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to use hide distracting item feature in Safari browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. In order to use hide distracting item feature in your Safari browser, you have to update your macOS to macOS Sequoia. For that, simply open Settings. Here click on General, then click on Software Update and update your Mac to macOS Sequoia. So I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. After you have upgraded your system to macOS Sequoia, simply open Safari browser and visit any website. Now if you want to hide any element from the website, here on the address bar, you will find this kind of icon. Click on it, then click on Hide Distracting Items. After that, simply select the item you want to hide. You can also hide ads. After that, simply click on Done and it will hide the element that you have selected. When you reload the page, all the hidden items will come back. So this is not permanent. This feature is helpful when you want to browse the internet distraction free, or if you want to take screenshot but want to hide sensitive information, then you can simply use the hide distracting items. Now to disable it, simply click on this option and here click on show hidden items. Here click on show and it will reload the page. So that's it. This is how you can use hide distracting items in Safari. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.